Well, we're gonna re-gear this Jeep. This is a Hard Rock Edition. It has a 4-inch lift. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. Has 3 15/70 17 tires, which measure about 34.47 inches tall. And we're gonna do a little test right now. It has 410 gears, and we're going to see what the RPM is with these gears at 70 miles an hour. And then we'll do another video after we re-gear to 488s, and we'll see what the difference is. So let me get buckled in here. See what we can do. Okay, now we're in 6th gear. I'll bring it up to 70 miles an hour. And it's right at 2,500 RPM. So I'll be back with you when we re-gear.